And 3 here is Somerontie. Some little big and 8 stickers and the last stickers. And there's a building, but it has 12 in total, maybe 11 later. They probably all have elevators.
Yeah.
This it's Otis 2000, or Otis 50,000. In 1997, 25 years old, and this year 2022, the same is peak 1 KE2005, and capacity is 4 persons, range with 5 grams. It's going to be inspected in 2024 with 5 floors. And they're scenic. This side. Beautiful. But the furniture is broken.
Yeah.
It is in Vallila, Helsinki, Somerontie, Finland. So of course Vallila has some more elevators that we didn't think of.
Yeah.
I like the interior here.
Same here.
It's great that they made them scenic, because it's with 2 sides.
Yeah.
Probably all of them were made like this.
Yeah.
But those inner doors are unnecessary. So this look about the door.
Yeah.
And it's too slow also.
Yeah.
But it's still very nice. Yeah, this essentially dates back to 1964 originally.
Yeah.
They didn't build the elevators then here, but they made space for them.
Yeah.
But they could have built them, like Helsinki could have built
Yeah.
1964, but they didn't.
Inspected by Kiwais, maintained by Schindler.
Still, what they did was very nice though.
Yeah.
They've got beautiful plants there.
Yeah.
The windows are original. We don't know if it was finished in the beginning or in late 1964, but
Yeah.
the ground floor button gonna be in the green.
Yeah.
The green. And there are 5 floors here.
Yeah.
That's it. Thank you very much for watching. I think I can do the
That's